Every day we spend money without even realizing. Every small dollar we spend today could be the difference between an ordinary life and complete financial freedom tomorrow. Cigarettes, 10-day, coffee, $2.50-day, unnecessary car rides, 5-day, takeout instead of home-cooked meals, 5-day. Small things, right? But add it all up, that's $22.50 a day. And that's just the start. Think about how many small daily purchases you make without thinking. Snacks, subscriptions, apps, convenience fees. It all adds up. Now what if instead of spending that money, you invested it? After 1 year, you'd have around $8,500. After 5 years, about $50,000. And after 10 years, nearly $100,000. And that's just from what seems like spare change today. That's the power of compound interest and monthly dividends. Your money working for you, instead of you working for it. Imagine what this could mean for your life. More freedom, less stress, choices you didn't think were possible. Every dollar you invest today grows quietly in the background, creating a future where your money actually earns money, automatically. It's not about cutting out everything you love, it's about being conscious of where your money goes and letting it work for you. Want to learn how to track every dollar, plan your daily investments, and grow your wealth step by step, even if you have zero experience with investing? I'll show you everything you need to know. Today, it's just $22.50. Tomorrow, it could be financial freedom. The choice is yours. Start now and watch your small dollars grow into a future you control.